Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to create a board in ihakimi Lite and organize leads using different stages. This is the dashboard screen. From the left side menu, navigate to CRM and click on Boards. On the Boards page, you will see all the existing boards. To create a new board, click on the plus new board button located in the top right corner. Now enter the name for your board. In this example, we are creating a sales pipeline board. Next, start adding the stages that you want to use for your lead management process. For example, you can create stages such as new lead, initial lead, qualified lead, or any stages that match your workflow. To add more stages, click on Add New Column and enter the stage name. Once all the stages have been added, click on Go to Cart. Now you can customize how your lead cards will appear on the board. Under the card template section, you can choose which contact details should be displayed on each card, such as name, WhatsApp number, and assigned agent. You can arrange the fields according to your requirements and preview the card layout before proceeding. After configuring the card template, click on Go to Filters. If you want to apply any condition or filter for the board, configure them here. Otherwise, proceed and save the board. Your board has now been created successfully and will appear in the boards list. To start managing leads, click on Open Board. Inside the board, you will see all the stages that you created. Each stage is displayed as a separate column. To add a lead manually, click on Add New Card and enter the lead details. Once the lead is added, it will appear in the selected stage. As the lead progresses through your sales process, you can simply drag and drop the card from one stage to another. This allows you to easily track the current status of every lead. For example, you can move a lead from new lead to initial lead and then to the next stages as the conversation progresses. Also, you can manually change lead stage from the left side menu, navigate to the CRM in Live Chat section. Here you can see all your customer conversation in one place. Select any contact from the chat list to open the conversation. Once the conversation is open, you will see the chat history in the center of the screen and the contact information panel on the right hand side. The right panel allows you to update and manage important lead details without leaving the chat window. You can assign the contact to a specific board stage by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. You can also update additional information such as the salesperson, sales amount, product interest, qualification status, date of birth, city, and other custom fields available in your account. If your organization uses custom fields, they will also be displayed here, allowing you to capture and manage lead information efficiently. After making the required changes, click on Save Changes to update the contact record. You can also use the tabs available at the top of the panel such as Profiles, Superfields, Notes, and Remarks to store additional customer information and maintain a complete history of interactions. This makes it easy for your team to manage leads, update customer details, and track progress directly from the chat screen.